Guys, here are some tips for interview. I am sure after watching this video it will help you a lot to get success in your interview. Preparation. Do research on your subject before the interview. Practice interviewing by asking questions from yourself. It might be better if you take help from one of your friend. Best English skill is the key to success. Go alone for practice. Be prepared to meet other candidates. Remember your education, training and experience, what you have done. Remember all the skills, abilities and talent you possess that will make you an excellent employee. Study journal books, newspaper, etc. Assemble all necessary papers or documents. Keep in mind all your past experience of interviews and try to avoid the mistakes you did before. Here are some questions which are generally asked in interviews. Question number 1. How will you introduce yourself? Have you researched for the post for which you are going to be interviewed? Why you consider yourself most suitable person for the post? Why do you feel you can do this job? What makes you qualified for the job? Do you know about job responsibilities? Your dressing and appearance. All clothes should be neatly pressed. Try to wear new clothes. Clean, polished shoes. Clean and well-groomed hairstyle. Clean, trimmed fingernails. Empty pockets. No noisy coins, etc. No gum, candy or cigarettes. An interview morning, give extra 30 minutes to your appearance. Introduce yourself. This is the most important point in interview, failing which can out you from the list. So give much time to you to know about yourself. You must appear and prepare these points. Personal and education. This part is used to give the interviewer relevant information concerning your personality and about your educational background. This does not include personal information such as marital status or children, etc. The education should be either the latest obtained and or major field if relevant to the job objective. Past, present experience. This part is used to share with the interviewer past and present work experiences relevant to the job objective. Life career objective. This part is about your life career objective. These objectives should relevant to the job. Why you are here? You have the knowledge and work experience relevant to the job. That's why you are here. Appearing before the interview or during interview. Introduce yourself with friends with a friendly speech. Show interest in that the interviewer is saying by nodding your head and leaning toward him or her occasionally. Give positive answers to negative based question. Make frequently eye contact. Keep a smile on your face during the interview. Answer politely and try to relax. Admit when you don't know. Provide accurate information. Keep friendly environment with the interviewers. Listen carefully to the question asked. Ask the interviewer to restate a question if you are confused. Answer the questions in the language in which you are asked. Don't try to be overconfident. Make positive statements. Things to avoid. Proper dressing should be adopted and avoid improper or uncasual dress. Poor personal appearance should be avoided. Lack of interest should be avoided. Poor knowledge about your future and past experience, it should be avoided. Poor eye contact with interviewer, avoided. Irrelevant answer to a question, it should be avoided. Inability to express self clearly, poor voice, poor diction or poor grammar. Lack of planning for career, no purpose or goal, it should be avoided. Lack of confidence and poise, nervous, ill at ease, it should be avoided. Making excuses, lack of maturity, errors in application form. Try to fill your application form correctly and specially focus on capitals and small letters. Closing. Thanks the interviewer for their time. Say salam at leaving the chair. Guys, I'm sure it will be help you in your each type of interview. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.